Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it is morning. We're out here in Jomtein at 8 in the morning. We'll just show a bit of the street footage, try and get a bit of the beach walk there. We've got some coconuts for sale, no price on them though. Dare say that'd be probably like 10 for 100 baht or something, who knows. But yes, I thought I'd pop out early this morning. I wake up early every day. I usually venture out early in the morning and then go back to the condo and stay there to late afternoon when the sun goes down. Yeah, the afternoon gets quite hot here. And been recovering from cold as well, like a flu. Had it for about 4 days, I reckon. It's only been annoying having to get waste out of my nose, but yeah, I think every month I come up with some type of flu or cold. It's what happens when you get a bit older, your immune system weakens. But yeah, if you got sore bones, like arthritis or anything like that, or bad back, Pattaya, Thailand can certainly help you a bit there. It won't cure you, but it will allow you to walk around. Yeah, next month, thinking about going on another adventure. Not exactly sure. I've got a few ideas, but I've just got to do a bit more research. You know, I do like to do my research. Oh, there's a nice Ford there. Not really a huge fan of Fords, but I do like the older Fords. You know, coming from Australia, you know, there's a big, well, it's not so big now, but it was rivalry between Holden and Ford. You know, I've had a few Holdens in my time. Not really a car person, to be quite honest. I'm more a motorcycle guy. Although I have considered a car here in Thailand. Yeah, plenty of people there doing some yoga. You know, keeping fit. Good on them, I reckon. Yeah, some mates of mine come down here about 9 o'clock most nights and do some skateboarding here. Actually, I finally got some footage at Duck Square, but it wasn't too much skateboarding. It was, I think, about 4 or 5 youths doing some rollerblading, which I thought was pretty cool. And there were heaps of kids skateboarding, so ended up making a quick little video. I think that was Saturday night I was out there. A mate of mine has a tattoo shop there. And out at the front of the shop he's got like skateboards and bikes he lets the youths use there that may not have a bike or a skateboard, so they can certainly come and have some fun, which I think's great. Share the love. You know, not everyone here in Thailand has skateboards or money to buy these things. You know, there are a lot of poor people here in Thailand. Yeah, I try to help out a few people here and there. I don't do it all the time. But yeah, I pick the people who I help out. Like, I'm very cautious when it comes to actually beggars. I've been through Southeast Asia and I know the scams. Actually, I should do a video on scams. Yeah, she had an interesting smile there. One of the things about Thailand and Asia, you do get some really good smiles here. Yeah, we'll wrap this up because gonna head home and have a ginger tea and something to eat. Yeah, I'll come to this water park, like the Pattaya, I think it's called the Jomtein water park. I think it's only 200 baht to go, so I can afford that. Yeah, the water looks nice and calm actually. Yeah, you got these boards here that you can hire, take them out. I've got no idea what they cost. These deck chairs can range from anywhere from 50 baht up to like 300 baht. I think the cheapest I got was 50 baht on Koh Lan of all things. All right, we'll wrap that up there.